Okay, so we have two formulas. One is called the sum of cubes and one is called the difference of cubes, and they're formulas. I'm going to just give you both formulas now, and in this video we'll do an example with the sum of cubes, and I'll show you why it works, and then in the next video we'll do the difference of cubes. Okay, so the sum of cubes says if you have a cubed plus b cubed, that factors into a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. And you could, go through and multiply that out and check it out and make sure that it works, but it does. That is a formula, and I'm going to show you how to use the formula. Okay, now this is the sum of cubes, not squares. There's no formula for the sum of squares, okay? All right, now here's the difference of cubes. It looks very similar, but it's a cubed minus b cubed, and that factors into a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, now you get a page of notes for your exam so you can put these formulas on your page. Okay, let me show you how to use it. So this first one, it's going to be the sum of cubes, so let's get that formula. We just did that a minute ago. Okay, there's the formula. So what we have here is x cubed plus 512. So what we're going to think of then is a cubed is, for us, it's like x cubed. So that means x is my a. All right, plus, now I have to think about 512. I'm pretty sure it's 8 times 8 times 8. I'm pretty sure it's 8 cubed. I guess I should check really quick. That's 64 times 8. 2, carrier 3, 48. Yeah, just double checking. Okay, so my b is like the 8. So when I go to use my formula, every place there's an a, I'm going to put in x. And every place there's a b, I'm going to put in 8. Okay, so I'll put the stuff that we have that doesn't change. Okay. Okay, now we'll put in the a and the b. I'll color coordinate it. So the a is x. So I'm putting in the x for a. It's going to be x squared. Now, it's a good idea to put those parentheses because it doesn't have to be just a plain x. It could have been like 2x or something. Then I'm going to have x for that a. So all the a's just got put in. Now I put in the b's. And the b is going to be 8. So there's a b, there's a b, and then it's going to be b squared at the end. Now, if you don't like the colors, you don't have to do that, but I was hoping it helped you to see where the a's are going and where the b's are going. So there's a b, and there's a b. Okay, so now we just have to kind of clean it up. It's going to look like x plus 8, a binomial, times x squared minus, we're going to write that as 8x, that's how we would write that, and then we're going to square that 8 at the end, 64. And that's how it looks. That would be how it factors, stuff times stuff, a binomial times a trinomial. Okay, so that's how you factor the sum of cubes. Oh, and I told you I'd show you that this works. Okay, so I'll show you that it works. I can multiply it out. So what's x times x squared, x cubed? What's x times negative 8x? Negative 8x squared. What's x times 64? 64x. Now, what's 8 times x squared? 8x squared. What's 8 times negative 8x? Negative 64x. And what's 8 times 64? We said that was 512. We just figured that out, right? All right. Now, that negative 8x squared and that positive 8x squared, they're going to cancel out. And that 64x and that negative 64x, those are going to cancel out. And so I have x cubed plus 512, which is what I started with. So it all checks. Okay.